Think about a desk stacked high with bits and pieces of different projects, memos, and important papers. When you need to find a specific piece of information, this clutter might make your job pretty difficult. Similarly, when unnecessary or troubling thoughts pile up in your brain, you might end up cycling through the same unwanted mental data. Giving your brain a quick reboot when you feel stressed or stuck can help clear out the backlog of thoughts in your working memory and leave you with a tidier mental workspace. Toxic thoughts, depression, anxiety, our mental mess is frequently aggravated by a chaotic world and sustained by an inability to manage our runaway thoughts. But we shouldn't settle into this mental mess as if it's just our new normal. There's hope and help available to us, and the road to healthier thoughts and peak happiness may actually be shorter than you think. Your brain may not actually have a restart button, but there are plenty of things you can do to reboot. You can always choose to lean on someone. Ever felt energized and completely renewed after a long talk with someone you trust? Most likely, that wasn't just a fluke. Expressing bothersome feelings out loud often helps lighten any tension they've generated. When thoughts weigh on your mind less heavily, they might naturally clear out of your immediate consciousness, leaving you feeling refreshed. Discussing your problems with someone can help you lay them out more logically, since you have to explain what's troubling you in a way that others understand. This often enables you to get some new perspective on the situation and arrive at potential solutions you might not have considered before. But if you're wondering how to start sharing these things and with whom, then we can introduce the easiest way. If you can't seem to break out of the mental fog on your own, our I Have a Friend helpline can offer a little extra support. If you need someone with better expertise than a volunteer, you can opt for our professional counseling services. Pick up the phone and call us to share all those feelings you've been shutting down till now.